Hello mga kuya mga ate. Today we're unboxing a couple of keyboards that I ordered at at Lazada sale. Hopefully they are as good as what I think they are. They might not be. This is risky. I don't know if it's good or not. I'm shooting this video with a Samsung Galaxy A50s with an external microphone. So we can the reason why I'm doing that is I want to test the microphone on the video capabilities in 4K of the Samsung Galaxy A50s. This goes onto my secondary channel, my extras channel. So if you're interested, you can check that out. Here we go. I've set the video of the, what is that? Just a bunch of cardboard little thingies. I set the video quality to 4K. In 4K, the A50s cannot do electronic image stabilization or optical stabilization, but I have it on a gimbal, so no problem there. Or you can put it on a tripod, but I'm lazy, so I put it on a gimbal. Oh, here we go, though. Only for better. Let's see if you can focus. Come on, only for better. I'm gonna see what's inside this paper. So it could be my address, so I'm not going to show you. Yeah, it's my address, and yep, it's a receipt for my stuff. So I ordered two. This is priced at 969 pesos or something like that. And actually, I got bamboozled by Lazada sale. They said that the original price was like 18,000 pesos, and then the sale was 900. But it turns out the official SRP is 900. And now, even without the sale, you can buy it for 969 pesos. So it could be a good keyboard. We'll find out. Just for now, we'll unbox one of them. Maybe if it's a good keyboard, I'll recommend it for one of the best mechanical keyboards for under 1,000 pesos. So we'll find out. The suspense is nothing. Well, I like keyboards, that's for sure. I like things that you Oh, here we go. It's relatively heavy. Oh, look at that. You know, not too bad an unboxing. Oh, not such a terrible unboxing experience. We got some stuff in here that I hear some rattling over. Qualified certificate, QC Pass 01. It's just seemingly a QC sticker. DMK01. We got some Chinese on here and some Chinese on there. Good job. Oh, we got some English. Wait, hang on. Dear customer, thank you for choosing the Maibenben. But that's, oh, okay. So we got some English here. I see. Gotcha. Good. What's in here? Anything else? Oh, look at that. Oh, we got a key puller. Nice. Okay, this might be worth it. So we have USB micro and then USB A with a sort of, you know, the fall Velcro thing. Pam 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 do 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 dun 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 dun. Holy, yeah, that's not bad. 60%, 61 key. Okay, all right, I like it. Let's compare it to the keyboard I have right here. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Look, I even got the Thanos weapon. The Thanos weapon. Look, it looks like the Thanos weapon, right? Okay, I got a full-size keyboards here. I know that the kids call them keybabs these days. Looks like the keys are very similar. We got a blue key here. We have Otemu. I'll answer all your stupid questions later, dudes. So let's try and pull one of them. And oh, look at that. All right, so here is. Focus, my God, dude. I need to, if, yeah, there we go. So I set the autofocus continuous again. All right. So which one is which? This is from the Maibenben. This is from my HyperX. I forgot the name of this HyperX. HyperX. I seriously forgot your name. Whatever. Blue switches and Cherry MX. All right. So this uses Otemu Red. I know, right? Like, what's that? I don't know what that is. Well, if you're a keyboard fan, you would know what it is. It's a linear switch. Dude. Okay, this should have a... Oh! Hey, hang on. What's it say? Come on. Thanos snap. What? Okay, FCCS operation, blah, blah, blah. 5 volts, 200 milliamps, made in China. That is because it's got Bluetooth. And I need to figure out how to use the Bluetooth. So we gotta go to the manual. Hey, Manuel. Manuel, how do we get the Bluetooth going? Okay, let's see. Oh, check it out, boy. So that could be a charging indicator, because it's. Look at that. Look, you can see that. Wait, is it changing color? No, it's not, right? There's a red light over there. What? Nani? Let's try typing. We're using wired, by the way, not yet on the Bluetooth, the mind-blowing Bluetooth mode. We're not yet there. Okay, so 1 minute test, start typing test. I'm not used to this keyboard yet, so please. ASUP, oh my God, okay. ASUP was one of, oh my God. I can't get my home keys. Greek, oh, okay. He is best known for his fables, stories that have a moral. Okay, I'm getting used to this keyboard. They teach us something about how we should live our lives. Aesop wrote thousands of these stories. So because it's a linear switch, I have some trouble once upon a time a wolf decided to this because I got big fingers. I got big fingers, okay? So I got big fingers. The problem with these kinds of keyboards is they're not, it's not the mushiness, it's the tactility, okay? So these keyboards with linear switches, with non-tactile linear switches, and they're not clicky, is that you don't feel the keys as much. So when you got fat fingers, you sometimes fat finger two of them, but with the blue key, you fat fingering two of them because you can hear it and you can feel the bump of the key right there. There. So you can feel that there. So that's the difference between this and something with the linear non-clicky, is you never feel the bump. The bump. So they just go straight down. So you never know, when you're bottoming out until you're bottoming out, or you never know when it's actuating until, well, you get the feel of it actually. If you know your keyboards, you would know the feel of it. But the thing is, sometimes you don't know if you're pressing two things at once because you don't feel the bumps on both of the keys. But that doesn't matter. We're not judging key switches today. We're just judging the keyboard. So this should have a legitimate amount of charge by now. By the way, I'm just pulling keycaps without using the actual keycap puller. How do you do this again? This way, right? Like that. Boom! Hey, look at me, professional keyboard reviewer. Did I scratch my thing? I don't know about the quality of these, whatever they're called, the keycaps. I don't know if they're double shot, triple shot, quadruple shot, quintuple shot. I don't care. I like this budget keyboard, so I don't really care that much. The lighting seems fine. Supposedly you can change the lighting. I'm gonna study the controls for a little bit and get back to you. Tell you how to get on the Bluetooth thing and also how to change the lighting modes. I'll be right back. No, it's like a fade in, fade out. Okay, number next. So this is a wave. Next, a wave down. Next, counterclockwise. Oh, what is this then? What? Okay, let me also just change the lighting. Also, you can see slightly different color keys, huh? Oh, when it's fading in and out, it's slightly different. It makes a different color. So this seems like some sort of star field. So emanating from the middle. I wish I can turn off the other light, but that's not remotely triggered. Okay, it's just gonna go psychedelic on me. But this is per key lighting too. That's crazy. Okay, rose. Oh, okay. What is this? I don't understand. Oh. That's cool. I don't know what it's called, but it's cool. And it looks like we do have a charging indicator there. Next. And then are we back into full lighting mode again? No, that's a different one. And what's this one? Okay, so this one is, yeah, whatever that is. What is this? Okay. So these are all sort of key press effects. This is probably just full on. And then back to wave or back to, yeah. Cool. That's a lot of effects actually. This is great for 1,000 pesos. Holy moly. Well, this one turns off when you press it. Okay, gotcha. So let me get back to the standard lighting. This one, I think. A couple of things I haven't shown you yet is how to control the brightness of the backlight. You press function and these two keyboard keys. So lower the backlight intensity or increase the backlight intensity. Oh, I guess that's maximum. That's why it's blinking. Yeah. Lower. Brighter. And that's the maximum. And then we also can increase the speed of the backlight. So let's change the look of the animation. So let's try this animation if you can see it on screen. Function, which are those? I think these, okay. So we can make it slower, the animation. Okay, so it's saying that it's the slowest version. And then we can speed it up by going here, and that's the fastest. There you go. So those are the ways to change the animation speed and the brightness. I'm just gonna go back to the regular. I don't even know which one that is. There's so many settings. Keyboard. Connecting. I need to press enter. Wait, we're connected already. Let me unplug. Completely wireless, bros. Oh, here we go. Get it. Retake test. I'm gonna do this proper this time. I'm gonna move the key. This is great. The 1,000 pesos for this. That's awesome. Start Aesop Fables. Let me get my home key, home row. Aesop. Oh God. Aesop was one of the great Greek writers. He is best known for his fables, stories that have a moral. They teach us something about how we should live our lives. Aesop wrote thousands of these stories. Here are a few. The wolf, oh God, wolf in sheep's clothing. I made a mistake. Once upon a time, a wolf decided to disguise the way he looked. He thought it would help him get food more easily. He put on the skin of a sheep. Then he went out. Whoa, here we go. That was much better. We got 80 words per minute, 3 errors, and 77 words per minute adjusted speed. And our speed is fast. We got almost pro. So there you go. Very proud of myself there. The cable is kind of meh because it's rubber. It's not. It's relatively thick rubber, but not braided. So people might complain about that. But holy macacoli, I'm very impressed with this. So it's a little bit heavy because there's a battery inside it. I don't think it's made mostly of plastic. It seems there's no like backplate that seems to be like metal or anything. Let's see. Yes, of course I have a keycap puller. I never use it. I don't know. Is that metal? I can't tell. But I don't really care because this is a nice budget keyboard. Did you scratch my keycap already? It's a nice budget keyboard. Hang on. So let's check the key wobble. Dude, that's awesome. Check it out. Check it out. All right. Okay. Cherry MX from HyperX. Ah, yeah, slightly less wobble, huh? Can you notice that? You notice the difference in the wobble? Yeah, that wobbles a lot more. But I am very impressed. The typing experience. This is Cherry MX Blues, original Cherry MX Blues. I love my Cherry MX Blues, but this keyboard is not priced affordably like this guy. This guy has Bluetooth, bro. Plus, this HyperX only has red LEDs. Huh. Very impressive. Very impressive.